Yes, Miss Lim, skipping class.
I woke up in a Soho doorway, a policeman knew my name. He said, "You can't go sleep at home tonight if you can get up and walk away." I staggered back to the underground and the breeze blew back my hair. I remember throwing punches around and preaching from my chair. Well, who are you? I really want to know. Tell me, who are you? 'Cause I really want to know. I took the tube back out of town, back to the rolling pin. I felt a little like a dying clown with a sweet daughter intention. I stretched back and I hiccuped and looked back on my busy day. 11 hours in the tin pan, God, there's got to be another way. Well, who are you? Oh, who are you?